Do you grow Anthurium plants but notice that they only develop lush green leaves while the flowers are small or fail to bloom again? Don't worry, today I will guide you on how to care for and revive such Anthurium plants, helping them become healthier and bloom again soon. Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place where we share extremely simple yet effective plant care tips that anyone can apply at home. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Wonder Garden so you won't miss any useful plant care tips. To make today's plant care fertilizer, I will use shallot peels. When cooking, we often peel off shallot skins and throw them away, but in fact, this is a very good natural nutrient source for plants. Shallot peels contain natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, along with some micronutrients and antioxidants, which help plants increase resistance, limit diseases, and grow more healthily. When used properly, this biological waste becomes a safe, economical, and effective organic fertilizer, helping Anthurium plants stay green and supporting the flowering process. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Put all the shallot peels into a clean glass cup. Then add about 500 milliliters of hot water. Cover it and let it steep for about 3 hours so the nutrients are extracted into the water. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains nitrogen, minerals, and organic compounds that help stimulate growth, green the leaves, and support stronger plant development. I will dissolve 1 spoon of coffee in 500 milliliters of hot water. Then stir well and cover it to steep for 3 hours, similar to the shallot peels. After steeping, both solutions will become natural nutrient sources that help plants recover, increase resistance, and support better flowering when used correctly. After about 3 hours, when both solutions have completely cooled and steeped long enough, I will filter out all the residue, keeping only the liquid extract. Careful filtering makes the solution clear and clean, preventing residue from sticking to roots or leaves, which could cause blockage and fungal issues. Finally, I will mix the 2 solutions together to create a nutrient-rich mixture from shallot peels and coffee. At this point, the liquid contains nutrients from shallot peels and coffee, helping plants absorb nutrients more easily, improve resistance, and grow more stably. Then, I will dilute it with about 1 liter of clean water to adjust the concentration, making it gentler and safer for plants to absorb nutrients. Once we have the properly diluted solution, I will guide you on how to use it. Method 1. Pour the solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cotton pad to soak it and gently wipe both sides of the leaves. When wiping, do it slowly and evenly, thoroughly cleaning both the upper and lower surfaces, as these are where the plant exchanges gases and absorbs nutrients more effectively. The shallot peel and coffee solution helps remove dust, eliminate bacteria on the leaves, and provide light nutrients, making the leaves greener, shinier, and stronger. Regular leaf cleaning also enhances photosynthesis, helping the plant grow steadily and support more effective flowering. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. You can also apply this method to peace lily or other orchids in your garden. The organic compounds and minerals in coffee help stimulate growth, green the leaves, and support stronger root development. Meanwhile, the natural antibacterial compounds in shallot peels help increase plant resistance, limit fungal diseases, and protect the plant during growth. When combined, this solution both nourishes and protects the plant, helping it grow steadily, stay lush, and bloom more easily. Method 2. Pour the solution into a watering can, then gently and evenly water around the base of the plant. Water slowly so the solution gradually soaks into the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients effectively and steadily. Avoid watering too strongly or too much at once to prevent waterlogging and root rot. The shallot peel and coffee solution provides nutrients, increases resistance, and supports healthy root development, helping the plant grow greener, stronger, and bloom more easily. You can also apply this method effectively to other plants in your garden. This solution is suitable for many types of plants, providing light nutrients, improving root health, and boosting plant resistance. When used properly, other plants will also become greener, glossier, and more stable in growth, while supporting long-term flowering and development. This is a simple, economical way to reuse natural materials while achieving clear results for your entire garden. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist it evenly over the Anthurium canopy. When spraying, ensure the solution forms a fine mist so it evenly coats the leaves and stems, allowing gradual and effective nutrient absorption. The shallot peel and coffee solution helps clean leaf surfaces, provides mild antibacterial effects, limits fungal growth, and supplies light nutrients, making leaves greener, shinier, and healthier. You should spray in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding strong sunlight so the solution doesn't evaporate too quickly and achieves the best effect. Also, apply only a thin layer to avoid excess water accumulation on leaves. When spraying other plants in the garden, apply evenly around the canopy, ensuring a thin coating on the leaf surfaces. Prioritize spraying during cooler times of the day when temperatures are not too high, helping plants absorb nutrients better and reducing evaporation. At the same time, avoid overspraying that causes water to collect on leaves or leaf joints, as this may create conditions for fungal growth. When used correctly, this solution helps all plants in the garden stay greener, increase resistance, and grow more stably, delivering noticeable results in plant care. Finally, place the plant in a well-ventilated area with gentle indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight. Result: after a period of using this organic fertilizer, my Anthurium plants have grown much more vigorously. The leaves have become greener, shinier, thicker, and healthier, showing that the plant is absorbing nutrients well and growing steadily. Notably, the plant has started blooming again, with brighter colors and longer-lasting flowers than before. This proves that with proper care and appropriate nutrition, you can completely help your plant recover strongly and bloom beautifully as expected. Other plants in my garden have also produced more flowers, with blooms lasting longer and showing more vibrant colors. This shows that using natural organic fertilizer not only helps plants grow healthily, but also significantly improves flower quality and longevity. What do you think about this organic plant care method? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Garden to support me.